Welcome back, guys, to another episode. I think right now we are on episode 16. So today I want to clarify few things on regarding Deathrow. So yeah, so I hope you all will understand Deathrow, because lately I've been getting emails like, Jeremy, this and this is not working. First of all, you must understand that Deathrow works on gold only, not other stocks, pairs, no, only gold only. Okay, yeah, because I'm the engineer of Deathrow and I know I've backtested it, I've traded it. Okay, basically I do trade Deathrow each and every day. Okay, yeah, so anyway, I want to clarify a few things on Deathrow. Okay, so guys, if you watch previous episodes, I know by now you understand what is Deathrow. Okay, and Deathrow, guys, I told you, like, it happens between two times, between four no, sorry, four between 4 a.m. and 9:30. We have 9:30 and 9:30 a.m. Okay, so what do I mean? Deathrow happens between 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. That is East African time, not New York, not London time, but East African time, to be precise. That is Kenyan time. Okay, so it happens between 4 to 9:30. So um and do you know, guys, Deathrow is all about liquidity gameplay. Okay, as I told you earlier, okay, on other episodes. Okay, so let me go slow by slow. So between Deathrow, when Deathrow opens like at 4, between this whole time when price reaches 4, this is another price action. Okay, the whole of this is Deathrow. So between this time, price will create a low and a high. Okay, yeah, but first, before anything else, you must understand the buyers. Okay, first thing to do before trading Deathrow, you must understand the buyers. Are we bullish? Are we bearish on the market? Okay, let's assume for market we are bearish. Okay, so if the market is bearish, yes, you must look for uh, uh, a selling position, not a buy side position. Okay, so right there we have and you must understand the buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity. Okay, what I mean is yeah, long short term highs, long terms highs, short terms low, long term highs. Okay, not long term lows. Okay, so what I mean is let's say we have this sorry, okay, we have this what do you call major major buy side liquidity. Okay, major buy side liquidity. Okay, let me place it right there. Okay, we have major sell side liquidity. Major sell side liquidity. So for price, if it is bearish market, so who will be the targets? Okay, who will be the targets? Okay, the target will be the buy side liquidity, because we expect, yes, the buyers is bearish. What do you expect? To expect price to take out this. Okay, to take out this buy side liquidity to sell side liquidity. Okay, because there is a game of liquidity too. Okay, price might fake out, might fake a breakout before continuing with the direction. Okay, so but the people who will be affected for a bearish market is the buyers. Okay, like on this, price will take out um um the major buy side liquidity, and then it will go down. Okay, I hope you understand that. Okay, and basically all of this will happen between 4 to 9:30, or sometimes you will find like sometimes market do this you get like let me show you something. Let me remove no, let me okay, you find your highs and lows are between let's say 9 there. Okay, okay, yeah, mainly you get like most of the times you do get like prices is around 9 to 9:30. Okay, and you get prices created there at the high and the low of the dead row around 9 to 9:30. Okay, um you might get the price has been consolidating, but when it gets at this particular point, it creates a low and a high. Okay, so that will act as a short-term high, or short-term low, or a long-term high, or a long-term low. Okay, so most of the time you do get like price fix its breakout between 9:25. Okay, and then continues. Okay, yeah, so what majorly I mean is there the price must fake the breakout between 4 to 9:30. Okay, sometimes market might offer all this price action when it is inside here in the death row time frame. Okay, but most of the times it does react around this time, 9 to 9:30. You'll get this movement. Okay, yeah, because there are other times that price do offer that price action between the death row time. Okay, so yeah, so that was one confluence. This is another confluence. Okay, and master this, because I do literally see this like every single day. Okay, most of the times I do trade death row too. It does occur during that time. Okay, so I have another confluence where you get price has created a high, price came down, price created another small high, yeah, and another small low. Okay, remember what I told you, our you must confirm your buyers. So we said our buyers is bullish. Next, you must understand liquidity. If you don't understand liquidity, we have an episode where I explain both buy side and sell side liquidity. So what you need is to watch the video and understand the liquidity play game in the market. Okay, yeah, so for a market like this, you'll get prices created we have a long time high, and here we have a short term low, what we call basically major sell side liquidity. Okay, so we have our short term high and we have our short term low. Okay, no, let me not not drag this here. Let me take that here. Okay, we have our short term low. Okay, so majorly for people who understand liquidity, we will have a major buy side liquidity, a major sell side liquidity. Okay, and then we'll have a minor minor buy side liquidity and minor sell side liquidity. Okay, so sometimes you'll get Deathrow has portrayed this kind type of price action where you get to have both major and minor liquidity. So I know you'll get confused. Where is where will I wait for the breakout? Is the major or is it the minor liquidity? But wait, Deathrow has to be precise. Okay, if you ever caught yourself in a point like this, what you would have to know, or what you have to look after, is the minor buy side liquidity and minor buy side liquidity and minor sell side liquidity. Okay, leave out the major and the okay. So what will do price will do is the breakout will happen at this point of minor, not major. Okay, it will get to minor buy side liquidity, yeah, and then come and take out the minor sell side liquidity. Okay, and then continue taking out all the liquidity. Okay, and note one thing. Okay, about death row, Like, you only need death row to know the whole price action of the day, to know the liquidity that are pending to be taken out, to know how to control price. Here you're not guessing price action. Okay, that is one thing you should understand. If you get this entry, note the price the whole day will continue the same direction. Okay, not this. Okay, I don't know when this you all will start using death row, but I know coming 2030 people using death row. Okay, because I know this is a real deal and this works. Okay, because this is it's so good. Okay, I hope you all will understand this is all you need to be profitable on gold. Okay, yes, I have other confluences, yes, I have other pending strategies that are coming, but for death row, take serious take seriousness in it, because these are very good good these are very good strategy. Okay, if only you could understand it. Okay, and note, it is only for gold, not others. Okay, yeah, price will give you the whole price action. Once you caught the death row, then you'll caught the whole price action of the day. Okay, yeah, let me show you the examples I took on gold this week, though I haven't had that much, because and note, I forgot to tell you guys one thing. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys one thing. um you should understand your buyers. Look for your buyers on daily time frame. For entry, use 5 minutes. You only need daily time frame and 5 minutes, and that it is. Okay, yeah. So look at for me that this is the one that I was telling you about, the um we can call it a, let me say, like because the price doesn't have so many, we can call this a short-term high. Okay, this price only have a short-term high. You can see like our death row was here, um between 4 to 930. Okay, luckily this price action, let me remove this. Luckily all this price action happened very well. Okay, so you can see we have 4 in 930. Okay, that is Kenyan time. Okay, so what did they tell you? Mark your high, mark your low. Okay, because this was my high, this was my low. Okay, this was a pending minor sell side liquidity, and this was a pending major sell side liquidity. So, and between, you can see it was between 5 5 or 5 5 10. Price offered and price took out this liquidity. Okay, so this fake breakout. Okay, price swept the high, but the body closed inside, so that was basically a breakout. So price did what? Continue to enter. Okay, prices continue to go down. Okay, taking out this minor sell side liquidity and this pending major um sell side liquidity, and price continued. Okay, so that is all. You all breakout time, and that is all. Okay, you need for death row. Okay, yeah. So after that, we didn't go to this place again. Started taking out the sell side liquidity. Okay, that is so easier. Okay, and we killed that way. Okay, so let me show you another day I took the trade. Okay, we had this time, but I, for that is around this place. For is around this place. How did I forget to mark? So 4 is around this place. Okay, uh, 4 is around this place. So I had this major, this acted as my major, where is it for? Yeah, so this acted as my major sell side liquidity, and my minor sell side buy side liquidity, major sell side liquidity. Okay, so we had this minor sell side liquidity pending. minor sell side liquidity pending, but I had this key area. Since the buyers were so bullish, I had this. So this was a manipulating this was a manipulated okay, kind of death row playing right here. But because I did understand the buyers, I waited for a clean entry for for a bullish continuation price action. Okay, so as you can see, for this I had this key area, I had this key area, I had this key area. But for this this price they didn't give me like a good breakout that I expected, because you can see even the candle, you can see the candle closed inside, closed outside. Okay, you can see closed outside. They didn't, the body candle did closed inside. Okay, as for our rule. So this was not my good entry, so this was an X. So for this pending minor sell side liquidity was taken out very cleanly. As you can see, price took it out, but the body closed inside very well with a bullish engulfing candle. So what then was for me to target this minor buy side liquidity, and we had this major pending buy side liquidity, of which price took them very well. Okay, the entire day. And this is what I told you: if you get a good entry, it will take you, it will guide you the whole day. This was the one that I was telling you, that price happens around 9 to 9:30, as you can see, because mostly it does happen at that time. Okay, so for that, price took out we had these minor buy sell liquidity. We had these breakout playing outside the death row, but for many sellers, they did try to enter, but luckily they got liquidated because of basically what buyers, the buyers is bullish, just trade buys. Okay, yeah, it was for me, I will take this breaker. Yeah, good clean entries. Yeah, but for me, I was on, I wanted this to here. I'm already good. Okay, as you can see, only one entry, good price action, no retracement. Okay, so I hope right now you all understand Deathrow very well. Okay, so as we continue, I'll show you when Deathrow doesn't work, and why Deathrow didn't work, and the mistake that made Deathrow not work. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, guys. Yeah, so subscribe, like the video, and if you have liked the content, you can email us to join our community channel. Okay, so may you have a nice time. Yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, to your friends. Okay, to your fellow mentors, cause I am coming. Okay, yeah, no more ICT, no more SMC. Yeah, but pure price control. Yeah, so regardless, will be I'll start live trades live on Deathrow. So you better subscribe earlier. Okay, because more is coming. Okay, so yeah, anyway, um bye guys, like and subscribe. Okay.